greatest issue Muhoozi is facing is this lumpen son of his. I don't know what he has over me. I don't know if he's just jealous. I don't know. I don't know if it's because Mama and Muhoozi always call me first when we have issues. This hooligan even is not called in family urgent meetings because they know his thinking capacity is very shallow and low. Honestly, I don't know what is really happening to this young man, because they had fought a huge battle for him to leave alcohol. But he keeps on taking alcohol, and whenever he takes alcohol, he does awkward things. Everyone knows. Can you imagine a son of a president getting drunk and go an extra mile of raping young women? Muhoozi has gone a route to cover up for this hooligan. But it keeps on. Now just imagine that tweet he made. Honestly, can you imagine if you read such a tweet? You know, I don't know what to say, but that man, Muhoozi, is a lumpen. Muhoozi is a very big disappointment to the family. But I don't have much to say about him, but I know you just give it time, trust me. And that is someone that comes out and starts shouting that he wants to be the president over my dead body. We cannot accept such hooliganism. We can't. I even talked to my wife about it.